friends, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Today, I will unbox Puzzle Kitchen Little Chef Play Series toy. Hello Kitty, Kuromi, Melody.
Wow!
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, wow! Wee! Lisa, make me a house.
Okay.
Oh, wow!
So cute.
Oh, wow! Oh, what is this? La 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 la.
So beautiful. Amazing.
Woo-hoo-hoo! The stair is so built out, but it's a bit long.
Today, we will make a house for Melody and Hello Kitty. I hope you like it.
Oh, wow!
First, make the bathroom. Make the shower. Use beads for the water faucet. Make the toilet. Apply glue. Shape the toilet.
Oh, wow! Oh, what is this? A carrot garden. We will pick carrots to eat. Okay, Hello Kitty. It's fun. Oh, wow! Wee! Oh no, we are so dirty. Let's go take a shower, Hello Kitty. La 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 la. Thank you, Lisa.
The bathroom is complete. Next, make the kitchen. Make the kitchen cabinet. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Make the countertop. Make the gas stove from clay. Take a piece of clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut off the excess clay. So beautiful. Make the pot from clay. So cute. Ta-da! Add spices and vegetables. The kitchen is complete. Next, make the bedroom. Make the bed. Apply glue. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cover the cardboard with clay. Cut off the excess clay. Make the cushion. Apply glue and add cotton on top. Wrap fabric around the cotton in cardboard. Cut off the excess fabric. Make the blanket. Make the Hello Kitty headboard. Draw Hello Kitty on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Shape Hello Kitty from clay. Make the bow from clay. So cute! Make the slippers from clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Combine the clay pieces to make the slippers. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the curtain.
Wow, that is so beautiful. Melody, come here, play with me.
The bedroom is complete. Next, make the living room. Make the window curtain. Make the TV from clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Make the screen. Flatten red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple clay pieces. Combine the clay pieces. Cut into a square shape. Amazing! Make the sofa. Apply glue. Add cotton on top of the cardboard. Use beads as chair legs. So beautiful! Make the table. The living room is complete. Make the swimming pool.
So good!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I want to watching TV, Lisa. Hello, Kitty. Welcome to Small Give Big Smile. Hi, my Melody.
Whoa! Wonderful! The house is complete.